Standing tall against the vast blue sky, this magnificent white structure is a symbol of peace, harmony, and spiritual unity. Known as the World Peace Pagoda, this monument was built to inspire calmness and remind humanity of the importance of non-violence and inner balance. The pagoda's design is both simple and powerful. Its smooth white dome represents purity and clarity of mind, while the golden statue of Buddha placed at the center reflects enlightenment and compassion. Each architectural layer above the dome rises gracefully, symbolizing the journey of human consciousness toward wisdom. As you walk up the wide stone steps, you may notice visitors from many different cultures and backgrounds. This diversity is no coincidence. The World Peace Pagoda was created as a global message. Peace is not owned by one nation, one belief, or one people. It belongs to everyone. The golden Buddha statue is not just decorative. It tells a story of mindfulness, self-control, and understanding. In Buddhist teachings, true peace begins within the individual. Only when the mind is calm can the world become calm. From the top terrace, the view opens wide, allowing visitors to reflect in silence while gazing at the surrounding landscape. The quiet atmosphere invites contemplation, making this place more than a tourist destination. It becomes a space for reflection and renewal. In a world often filled with noise, conflict, and distraction, monuments like this remind us to slow down. They encourage us to breathe, to observe, and to reconnect with values that truly matter. The World Peace Pagoda stands not as a symbol of the past, but as a message for the future, a future where peace is built step by step, starting from within ourselves.